Hello everyone, welcome to another video. We start this one off with a little bit of an impatient driver and some weird lane choices. You can see that car back there trying to get past the car behind me. Way too close and very impatient. There's only one lane there. It's a 30-mile-an-hour road, so what are you doing? Gets to two lanes here. You get to the traffic light, so there was no point in hassling that car. It goes over the stop line. Speed it up a little bit there. And it still can't go anywhere because there's traffic in front of it. It passed its mission in getting past that one car. Because where does it want to go? Where is it going now? In the bike lane? No, it's going to park. So why were you in the outside lane? So you're in the outside lane and yet you wanted to park there? There? It's my little gripe about manners on the road again now. You can see a Kia up in front there. It wants to park. No one's letting him go. I do. Notice the thank you back? No, neither did I. But the one thing I found really weird watching this back is how many times he turns the steering wheel. Watch his hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and he ain't gone nowhere. Nothing wrong driving wise here. We're looking at a pedestrian in a second on the right hand side. Now I'm no style guru or anything like that, but this guy surely must have lost the bet. Green and white trousers, burgundy tank top and a pink jacket? Really? And a blue bag to match. You'll see the blue bag in there. It looks like one of these. Looks like he lost the bet, I think. So you're obviously not interested in seeing anything that side of you then, no? It doesn't look like I'm doing 50 miles an hour here, but I am. I'm doing 50 miles an hour, which is the speed limit. We'll speed it up a little bit there. Now we seem to be having small car syndrome here today, because they're so aggressive. I mean, look how close this car is here. We're doing 50. That is way too close at 50 miles an hour. Small cars are so aggressive. Yeah, that's plenty of room for me, isn't it? And then come in and brake. Idiot. I think have been remarkably poor. As I'm waiting at these temporary lights here, car comes up behind me and I'm not sure whether she's just a massive fidget arse here or she is messing about with her phone. What do you think? Either way, the concentration isn't there because she does it later on when she's driving as well. Maybe took the phone out of the bag. I don't know. But she's still doing it in a little while, as I just said, when we're driving.
Answer me this. Is there any damage potential here for Frank in having taken this? No, because there's a sentiment that so it's a no-brainer. Well, that's what I said yesterday. Yeah. The main beneficiary of this is Frank. Reverse zero-sum game. And he goes to elite manager.
Now, if you look at her head again, she looks down again at it. There you go. And again. And again.
You cannot be sure.
Chelsea's squad
in a massive rush to park up there.
If there is an upturn,
So you couldn't wait for her at the zebra crossing, could you, mate?
Real Madrid out.
Sure. So
You'll get to see who I was moaning at when I go to the front camera. It's this car in front of me here. You can see that pedestrian there. but he's got no intentions of stopping.
Stuart, no one should say Real Madrid will get through that because you cannot be sure.
Chelsea squad.
Yep, in a
is
massive
so powerful
rush to
on
park
paper
up there.
That if there is an upturn,
So you couldn't
they've got
wait for her at
credentials
the
to turn
zebra
around
crossing,
and
could
knock
you, mate?
Real Madrid out.
Sure. So
Now in this next clip we're looking roughly about there. We have a car coming from that way and a car coming from that way, and they meet in the middle there where that circle just was. Now for me, the guy that's come from the left has jumped the lights, possibly. Without being able to see the lights, I don't know for sure, but they almost hit.
Scrutinise the players and start turning
That was
around
close.
in the morning and saying, there you go, so and so.
Guess that happens if you jump a red light, mate.
There's a full match ban for lying on the floor.
Now in this clip here, we're up on the Epsom Downs. I just want to show you this road. It's a lovely part of the world here. You can see right across London at the top of this. But this road here is full of potholes. The surface is appalling. There's speed bumps on it. You name it, it's got it. And it's horrible. It's a horrible bumpy road. And as ever in these clips, the camera doesn't quite do this justice. Just how bad this road actually is. And as I said, if you're up the top of Epsom Downs, you can literally see right across London on a clear day. It's this amazing view. So I can see why cyclists and people like that want to come up there. The nice fresh air, and it's all green up there. It looks really nice. But why would you choose to use this road to cycle up to get to the Downs, when there is literally a road parallel with this one to the left hand side of us that's in a lot better nick, got no speed bumps on, and it just don't make no sense. I could understand if these cyclists coming towards us in a second was on mountain bikes, because it's probably made for mountain bikes, this road, not normal racing bikes or road bikes as we should say. I just don't understand it, why you would do it. Crazy. Pick a nicer route. You're going to a nice area, pick a nicer route.
Why would you want to cycle down a road like this? It's horrible,
Do you know
isn't
what
it?
I mean, mate? Like, there is barely room for cars.
But it's rough, it's potholes everywhere and there's cycles.
Made with teamwork, made with care.
you spent all morning scraping the ice off your windscreen. Now it's time to
That had
defrost
to be
yourself.
red. Had to be red, come on. Who was that? That must have been red too.
Now here's a little clip for you lane hogging police mob.
No, just like to wish my old boss, he's no longer with us, he'd have been 90 tomorrow. Bobby Robson. Talking about that, he said what's in there, isn't he? He'd been that, yeah. Bobby used to say, if your man's not healthy, your body's not healthy. So, he's not with us, but I'll be with us.
Is that why you're struggling?
Not about the my mouth. Pronunciation, and again, yes. Right 9 o'clock, Eleanor, headline news.
Thank you, the Home Secretary.
Now why are you out there? You're obviously turning right. Can't read your number plate, it's so dirty. Which again, I'm pretty sure that's against the law. DL70 VHW, I think that says.
Red light camera ahead.
As it met out former Superintendent in Scotland Yard, the